Good day everyone. So this is a quick short video on how to start copying trades successfully on Trinitypro, doing it the right way so that you don't make any mistake. So once you log into your account, you register, you verify your account, and then you deposit the amount of money you want to trade into the account. Next thing you want to do is to click on this menu, three line at the top right, click on the button, you go to copy trading, you go to leaderboard. So when you're on leaderboard, you search for Trinitypro. You can just type Trinitypro. You search, you will see it here. So you click on the Trinitypro. Next thing you do, you click on start copying. This is after you must have paid the $50 fee. So you see it says you that you don't have any funds in your investors. So you go to internal transfer. In this case, because the fund is already in your standard account, so you go to internal transfer. Then you transfer it. In this case, I want to transfer it from the standard account to the investor's wallet. So I put the amount $400, transfer it to the investor's wallet. So once it's transferred, you go back, copy trading, leaderboard again. Check for Trinitypro. So once you're here again, you click on start copying again. This time around, because the fund is already in the investor's wallet, it will take me to this place. So here's the most important thing of most important step in copying the trades. So if you can see here, you have ×1, ×2, ×3, and the rest of it all. So practically Trinitypro uses $200. That's the minimum investment, and it uses 0.01 lot size or a $200 account. So you choosing ×1, ×2. If you choose ×1, simply means that you're using the same lot as Trinitypro, which is 0.01 lot size on $200 account. If you use ×2, it means you'll be using 0.02, and that should be on $400 account. So coupled with the write-up you will get alongside with this video, it will guide you on what to do. What you simply need to do is to select ×1, then you click on this add support form for $200. Now you'll notice that it's showing you 25 here. This supplements $200 minus 25. You now have $175 left, so you go ahead and put $475 as the support fund for a $200 investment. Please, for no reason should you go and select ×3 if you are using a $200, or ×2 if you are using a $200 account. Why? Because it simply means you are over leveraging on your account. So if at any point in time we have a drawdown of up to 50% or 30% and you are using a ×3 on a $200 account, that account automatically get blown. So you have to be very cautious in this place. Follow the steps written in the write-up that you have attached to this video. So for a $200 account, you simply put ×1, add support for 175, and then you click copy. Remember this, you click start copying. So remember that this account I put 400, so for 400 it will be ×2. That simply means was $50 from the 400. So you simply do 400 minus $50, and that will give us $350 remaining. So you use $350 in this case as the word support funds, and then you click on start copying. It show you done, and you have successfully connected your account. So if for any reason at all you actually want to we reduce your money, you must also come here to edit and reduce the leverage. Let's say for instance now This account I've already is copying with a what $400 the balance, and I want to withdraw 200. To make you, before you even go to, you go to reduce investment. When you go to reduce investment, you type, so it shows me here that I have a 375 to withdraw, so I can just simply put what 200 reduce investment. So the 200 will be in my investment wallet, and then I can now go to what edit. You see here it's still showing times 2. If I leave this thing like this, it means that what I'm over leveraging these words $200. So I will go ahead and go to and put times 1 here, because why, my money is now worth $200. So you must take note of those things. If for any reason you want to reduce your investments, make sure that the leverage, the lot size you are using, which is determined by this times 1 times 2, is what corresponding to your account. So you click on what apply new copy trade, you see, and this account now will no longer use what 0.02, but it will now use what 0.01. So that's just a short explanation on how to copy successfully. I hope this video help you in doing that. Thank you. So to emphasize more on the copy mode, I could set in the write-up. So for $200, you use times 1, which is equal, and then you put a support fund of 175. I've already told you how you got this 175. Then for $400, you select times 2, and then your support fund becomes what 350. Now for $600, you select times 3. Now you see here it shows what 75. So if you have 600, I mean 600 minus 75, so you use 525 as the support fund. 525. If you see here, there's no more times 4 times whatever. So how you can calculate it, you go to custom. So practically you are using times 1 for $200. Say for instance you have $800, so you just simply do 800 divided by 200. I will give you 4. That's why you know that okay, you now put times 4 here, which they will tell you the required investment is 100, and then you do your 800 minus 100, and that gives you what $700. So you now put what $700 as what support funds. So for 1000 you can do the same thing, but if you are putting for 1000, if you use times 4, you use 900 as support funds. Anything going beyond that, if for instance you are doing 2000, you can use what times 8 as you see in the write-up, and then that means you are using what 200. So 2000 minus 200, so you're left with 18, and then you put what 18 here as support funds. 18 as support fund. If it's 5000, to make it easier, since you know that you use times 4 for 1000, you can simply do 5000 divided by what 1000, which is 5, and then you do times 4, because you're using times 4 for 1000, so that's 20. So you can go ahead and put 20 here for $5,000 account, 20 to show you that what required investment is 500. So you go ahead and do 5000 minus what 500, so you can know the supports, the amount you put in as support funds 45. So you can go back and then put what 45 here again. So that is just a brief explanation of how we can get the amount and everything. And don't forget that at the end you do what click what start copying for it to be what successful. So that's all for this video. I hope you have learned from it, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.